I'm begging you to manage your time in 2026 if you want to accomplish your goal fast and also achieve more. 2026 is not the time for motivations. This year is a year of accountability, discipline, and managing time effectively. What is time management? Time management is when you're given a particular time to accomplish a goal and you are able to accomplish that goal within that time frame. Time management is very important if you want to achieve more in life. Last year taught me the art of slowing down my speed and also taught me what happens when you are overwhelmed, you are running at a particular speed because you need to cover a deadline. And that actually affected me last year during the festive period. When everybody were enjoying the festive period, I could not do anything. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at time management. Time management is very important if you want to accomplish a lot in 2026. The factor to accomplish all these goals that you've set for yourself is time. And for that reason, you need to learn the art of time management. We're going to be covering some points in this video, one after the other, and I hope you're going to stay tuned as we dive right into today's video. And without further ado, let's dive right in, shall we? The secret to accomplish your goal fast is to slow down your speed. Like I already explained in the initial stage, you need to learn to slow down your speed. Because you're running does not mean that you get wherever you're going on time. You need to learn to slow down your speed. Not only do you accomplish your goal fast, but you are also energetic enough to get wherever you're going to, and you also give your body the ability to also send signals just in case you're making the wrong movement, you're making the wrong choice, or you're going the other way. Your brain will be able to tell you, no, this is not the path to take. You need to rest. You need to do this. This is what you're supposed to do. But if you're running on autopilot, you may not really have that ability to process. And what happens at the end of the day is your body breaks down. When you slow down your speed, you will achieve more. I think in this part of the world, we are just used to running, even when one is pursuing us. So in this year 2026, I wanted to look into it. It's not about running. It's not about running at a particular pace. It's about slowing down your speed and managing your time effectively. All you just need to do is set time frame. Maybe your time frame is 2 hours. Don't bombard that particular 2 hours, adding other goals to it. If your goal is to accomplish one goal, then use that 2 hours to accomplish that goal. That gives you enough room to rest, gives you enough room to process whatever goal you're trying to accomplish within that 2 hours. Another thing you can also do is, if your time frame is 2 hours, you can start earlier, because a lot of us in this part of the world are used to starting late. We need to learn to respect our time. When you respect your time, you'll be able to cover whatever you're doing within a short period of time. Set clear goals that are achievable to eliminate you being overwhelmed. You need to learn to set clear goals that are achievable. You can see it that it is achievable. There's sometimes that you set goals even before you even start. You know that this goal that I've set for myself is achievable, not the one that you have not even tried before. You have not even carried out your research. You have not done one or two things to find out about that goal. You want to make sure that your goal is clear enough. Have a time frame and stretch out your goals so that this goal do not overwhelm you. And also make sure that the goal is easy to achieve. Yes, it's easy to achieve. It's something that you know that yes, you can accomplish. Okay, if you know that you cannot accomplish it within a time frame, all you just need to do is maybe start with something else, start with another goal, or you stretch it out. Like I said, stretch the time, add more time to it so that you have enough time to accomplish that goal. Make sure that you see the end of that goal, you achieve that goal before you move on to your next goal. A lot of reasons why people are overwhelmed, they are running because they need to meet up with the deadline, is because the time frame given to that goal is too short. Take consistent actions. You see, consistency is very important in life, in everything that we do. If you want to accomplish anything, if you want to be successful in life, you need to be consistent. And don't worry about your little beginnings. It's very, very important that you appreciate every of the little beginnings. As long as you're taking little steps, trust me, you're going to achieve a lot. And sometimes you may even get there before the people who started before you. So learn to be consistent. Take consistent actions. When you take consistent actions, it leads to massive results. Use tortoise as a case study when you're trying to accomplish your goal. It's all about you being consistent and taking consistent action. And when you do this, you will definitely accomplish your goal within a short period of time. The next one is avoid distractions. You need to learn to avoid distractions. Distractions will always be there. Distraction is part of life. So see distractions as an opportunity to move you forward, to push you to your next level. Don't see it as obstacle. When you're trying to avoid distraction, you may even end up distracted. So all you just need to do is to be focused on where you are heading to. Be focused on your goal that you've set for yourself and aim at achieving it. So when you do that, you will shun every distractions. As long as you're focused and you're aiming at being successful at that goal, you will be successful. Distraction will not be your problem. Distractions will even be learning. The people who are trying to distract you will also be learning from you. So let's move on to the last one, but not the least, and that is delegate tasks to manage your time. Understand that a lot of us like to get accolades for whatever we do. We like to be praised. We like to be appreciated for whatever we do. So sometimes we don't want to share our accolades. We don't want to share our praise with every other people. So because of that, we don't want to delegate our tasks. But you need to understand that if you want to achieve more, you need to learn to delegate your task. Not only are you energetic to do more, but you're also able to save your time by delegating your task. You don't have to do everything all by yourself. You can also employ people who will help you accomplish your goals. And when you're doing that, you save time. In fact, it even helps to do other things that are also more important. Learn to delegate your task. It saves you time and also help you to be more energetic and inspire you to do more. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped. Time management is very important. You need to learn to manage your time so that you accomplish your goal effectively this year, and also you are effective in your day-to-day activities in this year 2026. So I hope this video has blessed you. My name is Oluwatosin. If you just see me for the first time, thank you so much for stumbling on this video. If you have not watched any of my video, I would advise that you check below. I'm sure there are some of my videos there that will uplift you one way or another, and I hope I will see you there. And don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more uplifting videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. And until then, have a great day and bye for now.